How to change your age on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are figuring out on how to change your age and where to start from on Instagram, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will guide you through the straightforward steps to update your age on Instagram. First and foremost, open up Instagram application on your mobile device. At the very bottom, tap on the circle with your profile picture. You will land on your Instagram profile page. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select settings and privacy. Tap on account center. Under account settings, tap on personal details. You will land on this page. Right here, locate and tap on birthday. In order to change your age, simply tap on edit button. Now you can edit your age by filling in correct birthday according to your national ID. Keep in mind that you can only change your age a limited number of times, so make sure you enter the correct birthday based on your national ID. And there you have it. You have successfully learned the straightforward process to change your age on Instagram. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.